Let's talk about the common dental issues. The common dental issues that we face in day-to-day life is cavities, gum issues and sensitivity. Cavities प्रिवेंट करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है कि हम हर बार जब भी हम कुछ मेजर मील खाते हैं, we should brush our teeth. We should avoid a lot of sugary things and to go to a dentist as soon as we find some problem with the teeth. To avoid gum issues, we should floss properly. We should floss at least once a day. And to visit a dentist again if you have any issues. For sensitive teeth, we should use a toothpaste which is made for sensitive teeth and to avoid acidic drinks and food. As a person who takes care of the house, whether you're trying to do it for your child, for your parents, for your husband, or for yourself, the thing what we can limit is the sugary foods. So, very acidic foods in case of sensitive teeth. जैसे old age हो जाती है, तो highly acidic food ना खाएं because that causes a lot of sensitivity. And right from childhood, if we train the kids that to limit the amount of sugary foods that is taken so that cavities form नहीं हो. The basic thing is that जो bacteria होते हैं, they survive on the sugar. They need sugar to form the cavities. So sugary food is the biggest culprit. जितना हो सके sugary food, sugary drinks को कम करें, उतना बेहतर रहेगा सबके लिए. Everybody in the house. For old people, acidic food. And of course, the rule goes, no smoking, no tobacco. These are bad. Tobacco can cause cancer, any kind of oral cancer. And smoking is not good as it is. Plus, these also cause discoloration of teeth. They're bad for the gums too. Oral hygiene begins from the day the tooth erupts. जी बिल्कुल 6 महीने के आसपास में जब फर्स्ट टूथ इरप्ट होता है उसी समय पे क्लीनिंग बिगिन कर सकते हैं आप. इट्स नॉट विद अ पेस्ट, यू कैन जस्ट क्लीन इट विद अ सॉफ्ट क्लॉथ और अ सॉफ्ट कॉटन एंड देन जस्ट क्लीन. एक हैबिट होती है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स लेटर ऑन वी हैव बेबी ब्रशेस, टूथ ब्रशेस जो हम फिंगर पे लगा सकते हैं, अपने फिंगर पे, और उसमें ब्रिसल्स होते हैं. सो उससे हम जब बच्चे के दांत को ब्रश कर सकते हैं. वी डोंट हैव टू गो द ट्रेडिशनल वे, बट हम उंगली के जैसे इट्स सेम उंगली पे लगाया जाता है, ब्रिसल्स होते हैं एंड देन आप उससे क्लीन कर सकते हैं. पेस्ट का अमाउंट इज यूजुअली पी शेप्ड, एकदम मटर के दाने के जितना. दैट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ टूथपेस्ट दैट हैज बीन टू बी यूज्ड फॉर किड्स. वी डोंट नीड अ लॉट ऑफ इट. But fluoride containing pastes are the best because they help in preventing cavities. In-home remedies to prevent if somebody has a lot of pain in the tooth, clove can be used. Long रखा जा सकता है. It is not approved by any of the sources, but time being के लिए वो काम करता है. Another way is warm saline, warm rinses, warm water के साथ थोड़ा नमक डाल के उस पानी को गागल कर सकते हैं. और अगर कोई स्वेलिंग आती है तो उसको कोल्ड कंप्रेस लगाया जा सकता है. सिमिलरली अगर गम्स में भी इश्यूज हैं तो दैट कैन ऑल्सो सेम थिंग कैन वर्क फॉर द गम्स टू. दैट इज वार्म सलाइन रिंसेस. एंड इन केस ऑफ बैड ब्रेथ, अपनी इलायची तो है ही है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट व्हाट कैन बी डन इज शुगर फ्री chewing gum can be used for bad breath. Just it's a temporary thing. Usually bad breath is caused because of many reasons in the mouth that the dentist is going to see. But अगर आपको immediately कुछ करना है, so what you can do is you can use the sugar free chewing gum. पानी पी सकते हैं because पानी पीने से भी the smell goes off for that time being. As a homemaker, as a person who takes care of everybody in the house, the best thing that we can do is to incorporate the habit of good food and bad food. Good food is anything that is good for the body, including your mouth and your teeth, which includes milk products, milk and milk products. It includes green leafy vegetables, crunchy fruits like apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, by the way. But yes, apple or any kind of crunchy food because that helps in cleaning the mouth. and the bad foods, not to mention sugary items. Anything that is sugary, anything that is sticky, the chocolates, the coke, carbonated drinks, anything which is sugary is not that good for your teeth. Another issue which many parents face is thumb sucking. In thumb sucking, the child gets habituated to keeping the thumb in the mouth. And जहाँ पे भी वो मुंह में thumb को रखेगा, वहाँ पे there will be malalignment of teeth. So usually causing proclination, that is दांत आगे आते हैं. So the best way is to stop the habit. You're not supposed to punish the child. You have to teach the child, because this ultimately will cause proclination. आपके दांत, बच्चे के दांत आगे आएंगे, which will affect the outlook of the face later. Let's talk about cosmetic dentistry. Smile makeover, which includes basically braces, wherein your crooked teeth are placed back into the correct place with or without extraction. And we have various types of braces nowadays, which are like metallic, color of the tooth if you don't want it to be seen. We have other types also, but the best is to go to an orthodontist. An orthodontist is a dentist who deals with braces. So he deals with the correction of teeth, the alignment of teeth. So best is to go to an orthodontist who will help you out. Common myths versus facts. Brushing harder cleans teeth better. Brushing harder can actually cause your enamel to wear slowly, but it does wear it, and it can cause your gums to bleed. So no, brushing has to be in a gentle way, just enough for you to clean the teeth. Diet soda doesn't harm the teeth. No, diet soda harms the teeth as bad as any other soda. Flossing causes spaces between teeth. No ways. Flossing is essential. It helps you clean between the teeth. So it helps you remove all the material, the food material that gets stuck between the teeth or which cannot be cleaned by the brush. So flossing is a mandatory part, and yes, it does not create space between the teeth. Chewing gums can replace brushing. This is not at all possible. Brushing is mandatory and chewing gum cannot do what brushing can do. How we can explain the cavity being formed is that the bacteria, they thrive on sugar, they eat sugar. And the sugar can come directly from the sugar that you're eating or the carbs that you're eating. And if you're not brushing your teeth properly, if you're not taking care of your oral health, so these things help the bacteria feed, like they are the food for the bacteria. Now once these bacteria eat the sugars, they secrete acids. These acids then act on the enamel, which is the outermost coating of your tooth, the crown, the visible part of the tooth in your mouth. And this forms cavities. Let's talk about essentials of maintaining dental hygiene. There are basically 3 steps. 1, brushing. 2, flossing. And 3, tongue scraping. Of course, we can add a mouthwash just prior to the first step and at the end of the last step, so making it 5 steps. But there are 2 types of mouthwashes which can be used. There is an antimicrobial mouthwash which is supposed to be used before, and there is an anti-cavity which is in the end. So if we have a 5-way regime, we start with a mouthwash. The moment we get up, we are supposed to gargle with a mouthwash. That's an antimicrobial mouthwash, followed by brushing. Use a fluoride toothpaste. It helps prevent cavities. Next step to brushing is flossing. Flossing helps us remove the interdental substances which are stuck interdentally, यानी कि 2 दांत के बीच में जो अटक जाता है particles, उसको साफ करने के लिए. उसके लिए we have a traditional string type of a floss जो हम दांत के बीच में डालते हैं, उस तरह से निकालते हैं, and we clean that and we gargle it off. The third step, the mandatory third step, which is there, is tongue scraping, which is done with a tongue cleaner. They are available in plastic, in metal, in whatever form. And the last step, which is not again a mandatory step, is to use a mouthwash which is anti cavities, so it prevents cavities.